So here we are in the attic, and thanks to storage, I'm teeter-tottering over here, so observations are going to be a little bit limited. This is the upstairs indoor air handler. Some people call it the heater. Heat strip, heat strip. I got a stalker on my YouTube channel. Heat strip. Okay. So, anyway, what we do have here and don't have here is properly suspended. We do not have a care and use manual. We've got it over here. It says that's our data plate. It is 5 years old. 2013 actually. 8 years old. That's when it was manufactured. It could have sat on the shelf. Everything else is saying 555. It was manufactured 8 years ago. There's your electric service disconnect. We have some rust. I'm required to tell you that if you got rust in the safety pin, you do. It's in right there. I'm not sure exactly where it came from though. I'm not positive it came from the indoor air handler. That's all that equipment's over here. It could have come from the window. The attic vent. It could have come from the attic vent. Interesting. Okay, this is your secondary drain line, which you don't have to have because you got a float switch, a safety switch. You got a P-trap for your primary. It's deep enough. This should be insulated. The rust shouldn't be there. You should have a care and use manual. That's okay. Air duct. You're not supposed to have more than ½ inch sag. That's about all of them. That's about all of them. Not supposed to be constricted. Don't touch it, bud. I'll tell you what. That's close. Not supposed to have more than ½ inch sag. Not supposed to be constricted. But we've got that. We've got that going on. The insulation on the refrigerant piping in the attic inside the structure, that's fine. That's fine. Not so on the exterior. You're going to see another video. But inside here, that's fine. So, no care and use manual, no insulation on the P-trap. We got some sagging and constricted duct.